Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to use your heated and cooling seats in your 2019 Lexus ES300h. So, in order to access this feature, we're going to go to the center console, and once we do that, we're going to click on the cooling seat. Let's do the cooling seat first. And when you click on the seats, it's gonna go to auto mode. But if you want to adjust it on your own, you could click on it again and it'll do it on the manual mode. So currently it is on high mode, as you can hear the motors going through the seats of this vehicle. Click on it again, it will go to medium, low, and of course off. Same sequence goes to the heated seats. It's first off, it's gonna go to the auto mode, and then heated seats, high, medium, low, and yeah, same goes as well on the driver's side. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Acura, and thank you guys for watching.